Well, hey, you guys, welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. So today I have to share. I went shopping yesterday, one of my mystery shops, and I have been looking for ground beef to can and especially chicken. So I was about to get some of the chicken breasts that I have in my freezer, which I still need to do. But I was going to reduce a lot of those that I have frozen and thaw them and can them. So I went to a Kroger yesterday, and the meat guy was reducing the meat right in front of me. So there was a ton of these, and these are the cheap ground beef. These are 73% lean, but I am going to be cooking them, putting some of my beef bone broth. I've got that all ready, so we're going to be canning it with beef bone broth, and then some with some taco seasoning. So yeah, it looks like a lot, and I haven't really, I'll figure how many pounds of this I have, but because it's so cheap, it has a lot of fat in it, so it's going to be reduced like half of this. So I'm not going to get a whole lot of jars out of this. It looks better than it was, but for, let's see, this is almost 2 pounds, 1.7, 1.75 for $2.24 each, you guys, each. So yeah, no matter how much fat is in here, it cooks down, it will be absolutely fine, and it'll be so full of flavor and so good. I might even save some to make some tacos for lunch or dinner tonight. I don't know, we'll see. But I could not pass this up. So for the chicken, I love to can chicken thighs. They're much juicier than the chicken breasts are. And first, I came across these packages for $2.27, and these, let's see, regularly $4.49 a pound. Yeah, so, and these are all natural. These are all natural. These are cage-free, vegetarian. These are organic chickens, you guys. So, yeah, I'm really excited. So I got some of these packets for the $2.27, and then I came across these. The Simple Truth ones, which are $5.99 a pound. They're actually on sale for $4.99, and this package was supposed to be $8.58, but was only $3.02. So I'm going to add all of this up and see how many pounds we have. Right now I have beets canning. Actually, they're done in my canner. I'm going to cook this up. In a separate video, I will show you guys that. And then in another separate video, I'm going to show you just how to do some quick ugly chicken. Not pretty chicken at all, just ugly chicken, very quick. But I'm going to do a little twist on it to give it some really good flavor. So stay tuned for that. And of course, as always, we're going to have a word of the day. I am getting ready to do another the other second half of my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. We're super close to 13,000. I know. We're probably going to do another one at 15,000. There's been a lot of stuff going on, a lot of health issues for me and my husband. So things have just been delayed, and I apologize for that. But we'll make it up to you guys down the line. There'll be some small giveaways and then the big giveaway. So stay tuned for that, but I just wanted to share this meat haul. So I'm going to add all of this up and see where we are. And how about, let's see. Okay, so let's do a giveaway. Let's do the person closest to the pounds of beef and the price. Let's see, not the price, because that's easy. The pounds of beef that we got, and the person closest to the pounds of chicken that we got. So we'll do 2 giveaways, and we'll give away 2 debubblers. These little cool things here, my canning debubblers. We'll give away 2 of these. One for each, the person who guesses the beef pounds, and the person who guesses the chicken pounds. So I will add all of that up. Not going to tell you guys what it is in here. I will write it down, and then we will pick a winner. So let me know if you guys have ever come, I mean, who is lucky enough to do this? I hope you guys are. I come across this quite often, or I used to, with all the mystery shops I do. but not so much anymore. Meat is so expensive. So I just try to get it as cheap as I can and then bulk up um, and can as much as I can or preserve it however I'm going to do it. But let me know if you guys have come across this. So, yeah, this is just a really, really good deal. Could not pass this up. Could not. So there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, there's 5 trays of the beef, and there are 8 trays of the chicken. So how many pounds do we have, you guys? Guess that. That'll be the word of the day. And guess, and yeah, there we go. Okay, so getting my 4 jars lids ready, all of my jars washed and ready. The rings are sitting there drying, so I'm going to start to open these, and we are going to get started canning. Please watch the other videos, and don't forget, the word of the day today is not really a word, it's just a guess. How many pounds of beef do we have, and how many pounds of chicken? 1 guess for beef, 1 guess for chicken. And you get a free debubbler. Be giving away 2 debubblers, 1 for the beef guess, 1 for the chicken guess. Thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned as always for more videos. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps my channel's algorithm and pushes YouTube to get my videos out there even more. And if you want to see something particular that you want to see canned, let me know. And have a great day. See you soon.